Hello everybody, my name is Tristan and I'm a 3D character artist for real-time rendering and game development. This is an express tutorial on taking metahuman models and using R3DS wrap to use metahuman topology and UVs for your own characters. Let's begin. Go to the Metahuman website and sign in using your Epic Games account. Select an Unreal version and enter Metahuman Creator. This can take a couple minutes depending on how busy the servers are. Once you're in Metahuman Creator, select one of the pre-made models and press Edit Selected. Once you're in edit mode, you can edit the model to your liking using the blend tools or the sculpt tools. Remember that you can use the textures as a base for your final, so pick a skin color and complexion that most matches your character. After completing your custom metahuman, open up Quixel Bridge and navigate to the Metahumans tab to find the metahuman you just created. On the right side of your screen after selecting your model, go to your download settings and switch metahuman to source asset. After you've switched that setting, now go to the export settings and change it to Maya. This will avoid the model triangulating when exporting from Unreal. Now just press download. This is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to finish. Once the download finishes, open Maya and press export in Quixel Bridge. This will open the metahuman source file inside of Maya. Inside of Maya, press Set Project and copy the destination of the Maps folder for the metahuman textures and copy them into a folder you can easily access. Delete everything we don't need. This would include the rig. Only keep the geometry that you will be wrapping. Import the sculpt you will be wrapping into the scene to make sure the two models share the same space and are roughly the same size. This is not a requirement for R3DS wrap, but it will help a lot later. Make sure you double check your Metahumans files UVs to make sure they didn't get messed up. Export both models out separately as an OBJ file. R3DS wrap can't take FBX files, so OBJs are crucial. Once that's done, you can open up R3DS wrap. On the right side of wrap, press Tab inside the node box and select Load Geometry. Load in your metahuman model and then create another Load Geometry node with your sculpt. Try to keep your metahuman node on the left and your sculpt on the right, as it will save you trouble later. Press Tab again inside the node box and create a Load Image node. Load in your base color map for your metahuman model that you copied from that folder from Maya earlier. You may have to convert the Targa file into a PNG, since wrap is picky about that. If you've done everything correctly so far, you should see both of your models in the main viewport overlapping each other. The metahuman file should have textures on it. Now's the fun part. Go back to the node box on the right and press Tab. Go to Selection and create a Select Point Pairs node. Connect your metahuman model to the left side of the node and your sculpt to the right. On the top of the window, click Visual Editor and you'll see a view with both of your models in different viewports. On the bottom right, click Sync Views. Now go throughout your model, placing points on key areas. These areas are the ones that will match to each other when wrapping. There will be a number next to each point. Make sure those numbers are aligned between your models. The easiest way of doing this is to make a point on one side and then immediately place it in the same spot on the other model. Place points in anywhere that's vital to your character. This includes around the eyes, nostrils, mouth, and ears. Don't forget getting some spots around the jaw. After you've finished placing points, go back to the nodes and press Tab. Go to Alignment and create a wrapping node. Plug your metahuman node into the first slot, sculpt in the second, and the output of your Select Point Pairs node into your third. Now just press Compute. Wrap will start wrapping the metahuman model around your sculpt. Now we're going to clean up the wrapped model. Create a new node with Tab again and go to Geometry and create a Brush node. Now you're going to plug in your output from the wrapping node into your first slot, your sculpt into the second slot, and your metahuman model into your third slot. Using this node, you can use a variety of brushes to fix your model. I recommend using the last three. The Relax Project brush will clean up anywhere where there is a small deviation in your topology. The Move Project brush allows you to move vertices along the surface of the sculpt. And lastly, the Clone brush just reverts the topology back to the original metahuman topology, which I recommend for areas where the vertices don't really seem to know what they're doing, like the corners of the eyes or the mouth. Lastly, go into your node block and create a new Save Geometry node, which is found in the Save Load tab. Plug the output of your brush node there and create a name and location for the file. Then just press Compute Current Frame and it'll kick out the final OBJ. Now all that's left to do is to move your OBJ into an engine or renderer of your choice, and check it with some of the textures you copied from Metahuman. If you have any questions, I have a full-length tutorial on my channel that's over 30 minutes, and I welcome you guys to go check it out.